everyone. So today we'll be talking about the special kit from SpeechGears. So the one which I'm holding right now is a hard one. So we have two categories in this. One is a hard one and another is the soft one. So in details I will be talking about that also. So you just have to lift it up and that's how we open the box. And this is the beautiful box. So yes, so what you have to do is like you have to just push your thumb, yes, and that is how we open. So this is the special kit, as you can see. Okay, so it has all the tools which we'll be using for our oral cavity, including our cheeks, lips, tongue, jaw, hard palate and everything. So as we know that oral cavity is mainly for our speech clarity, swallowing and feeding. So we'll be discussing about all these tools in details. And today we are going to discuss about two tools which are mainly for the function of our tongue movement. So tongue movement is very important for all the speech production sounds and as well as for your feeding. So this particular tool which I'm holding right now is called as TTUD and this one is called as TTLR. So first I will talk about what is TTUD. So TTUD is basically used for tongue elevation. So tongue tip elevation. So tongue tip elevation should be achieved at different positions at different angles. Okay. So Angel, you have to hold it like this between your teeth and the small ball you have to move it up with your tongue and then drop it. Okay. Should we try doing it? Okay. Yes. Move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Good job. So this position is called as rest position. Similarly, we have to do it at the stretch position also. Now, when we are working on the lateral tongue tip elevation, so keep the tongue tip at side and then ask the child to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slow, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So this one you have to do it bilaterally, both the sides, right and left. For the number of repetition, how many times it has to be repeated, how many times it's supposed to be done with regular stretch of it. It also can be used for your tongue strengthening and endurance part. To know all the details please go through our website and go to our channel to know more about OSIT course. Thank you.